pati?
Minsan, may pumapasok.
Ah, may lambat to eh.
Information technology with specialization in multimedia, arts, and animation.
It's a promise. A promise that you've earned the right to dream louder, reach further, and live bolder. You are ready, you are worthy, and you are enough. So go out there, not to prove them wrong, but to prove to yourself that you were right to believe. Congratulations, class of 2025. This is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. Thank you.
What's up? Sa atin, kung may nakita lang ganyang tao, pinaputol na kahit hindi na nila.
What's up? She looks like an egg.
Akala ng time. Pwede.
So what are you recording me for?
Hello.
Pwede. Hindi pa rin. Pwede.
Can I, video your... Wow. Hi guys, o diba? Nakapayong kami. Oh my gosh. Nakapayong kami ni Bebe pero umaaraw. Kanina umuulan. Ang galing-galing. Ang galing-galing talaga namin dito. Grabe. Bebe, say hi to my vlog. Pupunta kami ngayon ng Pinoy store. So, kasama ko si Bebe. Bibili kami ng curry powder na inuutos ni Mami.
Nalimutan ko ng
kasi
paggamit.
nakalimutan niya. Ang ano ng salad master is, pag magsaing ka ng kahit na ano, sandali. Bakita mo kayo. Yan, pizza. Yan po yung ating pizza.